Hey everybody, this is Raoul, your local land developer and realtor. I just want to talk to you about an easy way to buy a home if you're looking to buy in Broward County. Now, there's something called the Broward HPA. And what that is, it's a program that helps you with down payment assistance as well as helps you with your closing costs. Now, let's say you haven't owned a home within the last 3 years, you still qualify. And also, if you haven't purchased a home, this will be your first one. Obviously, you qualify because you'll be a first time home buyer. Now, what the program does, it promises you up to $80,000 to purchase a home within Broward County. Now, it doesn't cover every single city in the county, so you can reach out to me and I can go over to you with exactly which homes will count in what cities. But it's pretty straightforward. If you can qualify for a mortgage, you can probably qualify for this program. Now, there is an income cap depending on the size of the home, but reach out to me and then I can go over that with you as well. And let's say you do not qualify for that one, I can definitely find you something else. Because buying a home doesn't have to be a dream, we can go ahead and make it a reality. Now, you can also use this money to pay down points, meaning lower your interest rate and actually have a lower monthly payment, which is big when you think about it. Most people don't realize it, but when you purchase a home, yes, it's a big expense, but most of that expense goes to interest in the beginning. So if you can lower it as much as possible and make your payment as easy and predictable as possible, I'm pretty sure that's something you would greatly appreciate. Now, it does cover cities like Hollywood, it covers Weston, it covers Coral Springs, and a lot of other places. So if you need a detailed list, reach out to me, obviously, and I can do that for you. Now, this doesn't only cover single family homes. If you want to purchase a condo, a townhome, or something like that, you can also use that for this as well. The biggest difference here, which might be a negative, but normally to purchase a home, you're going to need about 30 days for the closing process. Their request for you to have 45 days. Only 15 days extra, but when you're buying a new home, you want to get in there as soon as possible. So the program is pretty straightforward, but if you need more detail, you can always reach out to me or someone on my team. Now, we are the Emil Group, so you can always visit us at theemilgroup.com. But I'm also going to give you my phone number and email address. Easiest way to reach me is text because I might be in the meeting, but if you do want to call and get on the phone, that is always an option. Again, my name is Raoul Emil. I'm your local realtor, and I am your land developer. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay? All right, got you.